Setting time, in cement, refers to the time it takes for the wet cement to change from a soft and liquid-like state to a hard and solid state. When you mix cement with water, it becomes a paste that starts out as a thick liquid. As time passes, this paste gradually becomes harder and eventually turns into a solid mass. The setting time is the duration of this transformation process. There are two main stages of setting time. Let's discuss. 1. Initial setting time. This is the time when the cement paste starts to get stiff and cannot be easily molded or reshaped. It's like when the paste begins to become less like a thick liquid and more like soft clay. 2. Final setting time. This is when the cement paste has completely set and has become fully hard and strong. At this point, you can rely on it to support weight and use it for construction purposes. The setting time of cement depends on factors like the type of cement used, the amount of water mixed with it, and the surrounding temperature. Controlling the setting time is essential for construction work to ensure the cement is ready for use at the right time and becomes strong enough for building sturdy structures. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more videos.